Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot mustard sauce like McDonald's. First, gather your key ingredients. You'll need 6 tablespoons of prepared yellow mustard and 4 teaspoons of dry mustard powder for that signature kick. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of dark corn syrup for sweetness and body. Also, have 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce ready to go. A pinch of sugar and cayenne pepper will balance the flavors perfectly. Now, let's get mixing. Take all your carefully measured ingredients and combine them in a microwave-safe bowl. Grab a whisk and mix everything together until the sauce is completely smooth and uniform. You want to ensure there are no lumps of dry mustard. For an extra flavor boost, you can briefly microwave the mixture for about 15 to 30 seconds. This gentle heat helps the ingredients blend even better. Once your sauce is mixed, it's time for the most important step, chilling. Cover your bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. For the absolute best flavor, let it chill for up to 6 hours or even overnight. This resting period allows all the distinct flavors to meld and deepen, creating that authentic, complex hot mustard taste you're aiming for. Patience truly pays off here. Your homemade hot mustard sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for dipping chicken nuggets, spreading on sandwiches, or even drizzling over your favorite fried foods. Store any unused sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week to maintain its freshness. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly crafted hot mustard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.